In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import expenses in Zoho Books. If you're looking to streamline your financial management and get those expenses sorted out in no time, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step so you can follow along easily. To start, we'll be diving into the Zoho Books platform. Once you're logged into your account, head over to the left sidebar. There, you'll find a variety of tabs. But for this task, we'll be focusing on the Purchases tab. Go ahead and click on it. Within the Purchases section, you'll see an option labeled Expenses. Click on Expenses to access the Expenses page, where we'll carry out the import process. Now that you're on the Expenses page, you're going to want to look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a small icon that resembles 3 horizontal lines. This icon is commonly referred to as the hamburger icon, and it's a quick way to access additional options. Click on this More icon, which will open a drop-down menu for you. In the drop-down menu, you're looking for an option named Import Expenses. Selecting this option is a crucial part of the process as it's what sets everything into motion. Give it a click and you'll be brought to the next step. Now, it's time to bring in your expense data. You should see an option that says Choose File. Clicking here will allow you to select a file directly from your computer. If your expense data is locally stored, simply navigate through your files and choose the right one you wish to import into Zoho Books. Alternatively, if you're using a cloud service, Zoho Books has you covered. Instead of searching your local computer, you can select your file from a cloud service you're using. This flexibility is quite handy if you prefer to keep your files online or if you have to deal with files shared across multiple devices or team members. There you have it. With these simple steps, you should be all set to import expenses into Zoho Books effortlessly. It's a straightforward process that helps ensure your financial records remain accurate and up to date, paving the way for smooth financial operations. Make good use of these features to manage your business transactions efficiently. Thank you for watching, and make sure to explore other functionalities in Zoho Books to get the most out of its capabilities. Streamlining your accounting process can free up your time and resources, enabling you to focus more on growing your business.